To make my little chairs, I'm taking a soft drink cap. These are come from a 2-litre bottle, and all I'm doing is cutting them so that I'm removing this part. So I'm using my X-Acto knife and I just line it up with the little ridge on the inside there and then slice this piece off. I've got 6 of them that I'm going to be doing. For the backrests of the chairs, I'm taking a piece of cardboard that divides the cans, so they've already got the indentation like that. And then all I'm doing is some of them I've painted purple, and then we're going to just cut those in half. And some I've painted orange. These ones I've already cut in half, so those are the backs for the chairs. I've got all my little pieces prepared, and now I'm just using a hot glue gun to glue these on. And just glue all of them. So I've got them all glued like that, and now I'm just taking my fingers and going halfway through the middle and just starting to bend them out just a little bit, just to give it a nicer shape to the chair. Go slowly so you don't tear the cardboard. The back's got a little bit of a kink in it like that, and then the front looks like that in comparison to just straight up. It's a matter of choice. For myself personally, I prefer the one that's got a little bit of a flare at the back, so that's why I'm doing them that way. For the legs, I've got these thin skewers, and I'm just cutting them at 2 centimeters. I'm just using my little angle cutter to do that. And I'm cutting 4 for each chair. I've glued all my legs on. I like to always paint my sticks before I cut them. So all my little chairs are completed now. Thank you so much for watching.